In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Afterimage audio or sound not working. So we have a few solutions for you. So let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we are going to recommend you to actually restart your game. So a good restart can actually help a lot. So try that and see if that solves your issue. So for our second solution is to actually run your game as administrator. So uh, you could just do this and check if that solves your issue. Our next solution is to verify file integrity. So just go ahead and open up your Steam, go to your game that you want to fix, just right click on it and go to properties. Here, go to local files and just click on verify integrity of game files. Our next solution is to check audio output device. So you just want to make sure that you are using the correct output device. So if you're using your headset, make sure you've selected the headset, or if you're using a speaker, make sure you selected your speaker. Our next solution is to check audio mixer. So here in your volume icon in your Windows, just right click on it and go to open volume mixer. You'll be able to see a section here for your game. Ensure that it's not muted and the levels for it is raised to a significant level where you can actually hear your game. Our last and final solution, which is to update your audio device. So to do this, go ahead and go to Windows search and just type in uh, device manager and just minimize this, locate sound, video, and game controllers, and just right click on the output device you want to update, and just select update driver. From here, you'll be given two options, but we recommend you to use the search automatically for drivers, since Windows will find the appropriate update for you and install it for you. Hopefully this video was able to help you a lot. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.